So, as it turns out, Sony did not release the 1000XM4 this year at IFA. And I'm very disappointed, and I know many of you are as well, because we have all been looking forward to a 1000XM3 sequel for the past 6 months at least. They did announce one new addition to their noise cancelling family, the WH-1000XM4, but let's be real guys. The 1000XM4 would have been way bigger news. And this is a break from the trend of the past few years. In 2016, we saw the original 1000X. In 2017, the XM2 came out. In 2018, the XM3. So everyone was kind of expecting there to be an XM4 in 2019 because, after all, as great a product the XM3 is, it didn't have certain features that we would like to have, like multi-point pairing, for example. So what possibly happened at Sony HQ, which led them to postpone the launch of the XM4, if there really is an XM4 in the first place? I've got some thoughts about it, but tell me what you think, guys, in the comments section below. It could possibly be that Sony thinks the XM3 headphones are the end game, the best in the market right now, and possibly going to be the best for the next few years. But we all know that, as great the headphones are, the XM3 headphones didn't cover all grounds. I've talked about multi-point pairing. Also, there's the issue of the touchpad not working properly in cold weather. What about that issue I talked about, that if you disconnect the cable, the headphones automatically switch off, which is not supposed to happen, never has happened to me with other headphones. Now, of course, some of you may ask, why do you need to plug a cable into the headphones? These are wireless. Well, I found out about this issue on a flight. So I was plugged into the in-flight entertainment system, but I wanted to go to the restroom, so I disconnect the cable and boom, the headphones and the noise cancelling switches off automatically. And how about fixing the XM3's subpar voice microphone quality and voice call quality? I mean, look, ambient sound pass-through during a voice call looks great on paper, but in actual use, it doesn't make for very good voice call quality. Okay, so these are things that Sony should have addressed in an XM4 released this IFA, but apparently they seem to think possibly that the XM3 is already there. It is the epitome of what they can produce. Or could it be that as they were about to roll out the release of the XM4, something happened which forced them to go back to the drawing board? Very possible that it could have been Bose releasing the headphones 700 back in May, because nobody expected Bose to release a new pair of noise cancelling headphones. There were no leaks, there were no FCC listings, I've checked, and there was nothing to suggest that there was gonna be a sequel to the QC35. So it's quite possible that Sony was caught off guard and they were forced to delay the release of the XM4 headphones. And if that's the case, it's not necessarily a bad thing. Maybe in order for the soon-to-be released XM4 to compete with the Bose Headphone 700, they had to rework the XM4's microphone and voice call quality system, because a lot of reviewers seem to agree that the Headphone 700 have a better voice, microphone and call quality system than the Sony's. Because the Headphone 700 used something called beamforming technology, which I covered in this video. But whatever it is, I'm super disappointed that the XM4s were not released at IFA this year, beyond all expectations. And thus, I cannot call myself the Oracle of Audio. It's so sad. I'm super sad right now. I've even got some t-shirts designed in different colors. OOA, Oracle of Audio. But anyway, on a brighter note, Sennheiser released something new. The Sennheiser Momentum wireless headphones third version. It looks really promising. Sheepskin leather, Bluetooth 5.0, USB-C charging. The only thing about it though is that it's got only 17 hours of battery life. Almost half that of the Sony XM3 headphones, 30-hour battery life. But we'll see. We'll see if the Sennheisers can compete based on other factors like build quality perhaps, because it does seem to have better build quality than the Sony's, metallic headband, sheepskin leather, and it's even got some automatic quality of life features that you can find on the Jabra Elite 85H. So it'll be quite an interesting pair of headphones to review if and when it reaches Singapore shores. But I'm still feeling very disappointed about the XM4s. So what do you guys think about this turn of events? Sony not releasing the XM4 at IFA this year? Tell me in the comment section below, and I look forward to reading what you have to say. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please punch the like button with a vengeance. Share this video with your friends, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and remember to ring the bell to join my notification squad, because I upload new videos every single week, and this is the only way YouTube will notify you. So I look forward to reading your comments, and I'll see you again in the next one.